Hello, this video explains how to quickly build SQL queries by using Visual Query Builder. Visual Query Builder is a query editor that you can use to create SQL queries to fetch service management data. Use Visual Query Builder to create SQL queries based on views and fields without needing to know SQL. Let's look at Visual Query Builder in action. Susan is a service desk manager. She wants to create a SQL query to get the status and priority of incidents assigned to her team. Let's see the tasks that Susan performs to create the required SQL query. She starts by opening Visual Query Builder from a dashboard panel. She selects Incident Management and drags the incident number, assigned group, assignee, and priority fields to the Fields area. She clicks Preview to see the incidents assigned to her team members with their priorities. Susan then performs the following tasks to view the count of incidents and critical incidents. She selects the number of incidents calculated field. She adds and configures the priority filter. The preview shows the expected results. Susan uses this query to fetch data in the dashboard panel. To learn more about Visual Query Builder, see the online documentation link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.